Bird flu has struck its biggest operation yet in Minnesota, a farm with over 1.1 million chickens in Lakeland County of south central Minnesota. The number of farms hit by the virus across the state has now grown to 80. The H2N2 virus has now cost Minnesota poultry producers over 5.3 million birds. Renville County has also seen its first outbreak at a farm with 1,290 turkeys, and there are also new cases at turkey farms in Candiyohi, Pipestone, and Swift counties. The newly affected farms have been quarantined, and the remaining birds will be euthanized and kept out of the food supply.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.